For today's recipe, ang i-share ko naman is brioche burger buns. Let's get started. First, para sa dry ingredients, pagsamahin yung yeast, flour, salt at sugar. Yung ginamit ko dito is Sun Moon Star ng Filmico. Para sa wet ingredients, meron tayong egg, cream at fresh milk. Mix from low to medium speed hanggang makabuo tayo ng 80 to 90% gluten development. Always remember lang na laging dapat chilled ang ginagamit nating ingredients para maiwasan natin yung pag-init ng dough. Then mag-add tayo ng butter. Mix in low speed until well incorporated yung butter. Then change to high speed until fully develop yung dough. Ang desired dough temperature natin is 26 to 27 degrees Celsius. Then, bulk fermentation for about 1 to 2 hours. After resting, i-portion lang natin yung dough into 100 grams each. Then, shape into a ball. Make sure lang na nakalock yung bottom part para hindi bumuka during proofing. Tsaka natin lalagay sa isang well-greased pan. Cover until double in size. Kapag ready to bake na, i-prepare lang natin eggwash. Then, i-brush lang natin evenly yung dough. Add white or black sesame on top. Then bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. If you have any questions, just comment down below.